Ebusian for Ejisu MP, Ejisu MC. Your mama appointee, Mami, Ononi, Mami. Our message be my NDC grassroot for. Aha. Ejisu MC. Our message be my NDC grassroot for. Enti, Baba bo message no mamo. Na enti. Enti enu ni.
Munya no grassroot for. Mo NDC munya hwe. Mama mo ba mu wate. Na fe na papa hise sense John Dramani Mahama. Wo hye no mama yi nyina ya yi bi. Enne se me grassroot ni ma bedu ha sei. Na me da holiday in ewa buchire hanuma. Na ya papa hise sense John Dramani Mahama. Then na watch no bi ase no so.
Ebusian for Ejisu MC. Mama appointee. Or see NDC for grassroot. Nkofo that were involved our campaign emu that make sure say NDC is back to power no. Or catch them say Emma or my bemumbu. Adentia. Or see onu omunhwe and she did the phone like this. Or say our China se sia yekasa. Or that Holiday Inn hotel our China. Enti aye ya manu enti wa unyanya hwi wo party ni mu. Wa unyanya hwi for the almost 2 years Eeiii Mahama NDC has come back here. Emma wa bemumbu. You see, they do not respect you. If they respect you, anka MC of Ejisu on continent China honum. On continent China honum. Holding phone, doing selfie, say, onunye, or that Holiday Inn hotel. Here was China. They will rub it to your face. Because they know very, very well, say, you don't actually chase after what is of importance, is of essence. There be, in some way here, that is what you chase after as an NDC grassroots. And they know the right message for you. They know that even if they show you themselves chilling, they will still come and deceive you with 50 Ghana cedis election year, and you will still go and do campaign. You will still be willing to die for the NDC. And Nuna, Chairman Asedu Nketia, I share no say Debbie. Nya so me NDC ni. But as for this one there, enough is enough. I must remind a grassroots for say, at Sema Jomama Akachemono, on dinner semonoso, on dini boshe no so. That's why I like Chairman Asedu Nketia. Me see NDC for semu mpo Chairman Asedu Nketia nebeye the next flag bearer of the NDC. No mosquito, no vote. Some movement no, it has come to stay. No mosquito, no vote. Pastor wa we share live no, through our comment session no. No mosquito, no vote. NDC for we will help you choose a leader. We will help you choose a leader because the current leader of your party, Eeiii Mahama, has neglected the grassroots. We will help you choose a leader because when MPP, we were going into our election, more NDC for you thought say it could come and impose a particular candidate on us. When we were saying, say, we know the best person for our party, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumiano, you were telling us, say, Debbie Bawumianye, Yankoto Abama will be fufro. Nyamia Ampe Boni made it so, say, the hearts of delegates were touched to vote for the right person. Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. If we had followed agenda, Namu NDC for you were running now, maybe today, only God knows the state NPP will be in. So because you people thought you could fool us, now we are going to teach you, say, yen rather are the ones who can fool you. So we will help you choose Asedu Nketia. Say mumpo Asedu Nketia, no mosquito, no vote. Me see, no mosquito, no vote. Asedu Nketia for president 2028. Mumpo, or no, na NDC representing. Yeah. After never be politics, no. politics as we have it. Afei na eba politics. Ebusianfo, let me not waste your time. Let me go into the Kotokari.
Bank of Ghana rules out GN Bank license restoration. Bank of Ghana say GN Bank a yejo mo license efiri omo nsem no. Enya dia license no omo de be mo back ene. Ochina so kam. Ebusia Mahama scam Papa Kwesi Indium. In fact, President Mahama was scamming Ghana for nyina. Say akofie pa na odi kire yin. Settings. Keonet nsem pa na Mahama odi kire Ghana for. Mobeka say proud to 2024 elections no. Mahama promise Papa Kwesi Indium. Ene Ghana for nyina say ye to abama no be president am. Yenche kra. Eye omo ano mu oni banks a ye di 2 million efiri omo nsem. Ese omo ntimi manage bank ni biom na bank no. Ye di bi ekoshe commercial bank ase. Ye kan bi bom de form a consolidated bank no. Mahama can say obey president pen. Sa license no or the bema those people back, including Papa Kwesi Indium. Yes, She Mahama and some more kind we are bra.
In this case, I have said before that banks like yours, GN Bank and UT Bank and all the other banks that were closed were indigenous banks that were dealing mostly with small and medium enterprises. We believe these were unjustifiable. Look at the restoration of the licenses of these banks. The details are being worked out by our manifesto committee. He talked about an equity fund and all that. And so those are all things that we would look at.
Abusia utie Mahama here. I say almost set up committee. Emma committee na yen hwehwemu to the extent say omo manifesto mu kro omo de ahyem say omo anom oni sa banks na ye di 2 million free omo nsem no. So be president am. Omo de omo license ebe ma omo back. Na ene ana Bank of Ghana aba ka kire yen say hwebe enya de a GN Bank aye Papa Kwesi Indium na ye ne bank no. Omo betimi restore omo license. Na you see sa asem we ye hunu ye kan say Mahama ensem a wo ka no kura bi anim because sa banks na ya free Papa Kwesi Indium ni afoforo nsem no na enam mara kwan so enienti a ya gi sa 2 million from nsem ne say Mahama na nkasa first term sa banks owners of banks edi Ghana fo sika Ghana fo anomudi omusika akototo hodom wodi omudi omusika ana Mahama ekukuru Ghana ye taxpayers money. Edi ma sa banks because it says our banks no they are affiliated to NDC. Penifo mo mukura banks no. Ana otam Ghana esika edi ma yes owners of these banks. I say a liquidity support on so bank na se ne wo Ghana ni awde o sika akoto bank on no ko se o kwa kodu sika back a umbenya sika ma. But could you believe so omo sika no omo afa anyesa omo afa nkwa nkoshe bank nim ebi di sika no ebobo omo ho besia ebi edi sika no eye omo personal properties ebi nso edi sika ne bo besia to companies a eye omo dia ema omo divert sika ne de koye bibi foforo ema sika ne hye to the extent say Ghana fo na omo sika eda ho no omo kwa ne yenya sika ema omo na no na akufo ado aban ka se da bi sa nkrofo we si assign tam taxpayer sika ede mo ma omo bedi because kwasi ahwe wa yenti asompre nu ana kufu ado aban edi tumi krata a ye de amom so mo print bank na efiri omo nsem ana banks ni bi wo ho a ye de kwhye GCB ase ana 5 on so ye kan ni nyina bom de form a consolidated bank said ye be ya Ghana fu sika ayeda hodom ye be protected na afi nso enwuma e wo hodom no ye be protected na Mahama esan agene boninti ede ye propaganda NDC for etwa atoro etutu nsemu gu Ghana fo anim asum aseden ese ya collapse banks nti omo de omo be restore banks no ema Ghana fo bi enya omumu arehemu ejina so ede to abamom ene ya to abama NDC Mahama aba be president 12 months 13 months down the line asem omo kan kire ene ne se hwebe ne yakufu ado anamo yakufu ado 2 year o merge banks no kan banks ni ebom na wadi 2 million free sa ni paponefo te se Papa Kwesi Indium ni atofo sin usati esin na or that prison sa for no gi 2 million free om nsem no na na do fa kwan paso na na do ye na ye ntianya de a wo betime de license na ama Papa Kwesi Indium bi. And you see, Mahama and NDC Abane, they need to apologize to Ghanaians, especially Ghana for Omunyo Mujidi, Ninti, Omokoto Abama, NDC. because say NDC promise you almost say omo be restore air license na ya every papa kwesi indium ensem na ene say papa kwesi indium etia na say wanya newspaper ni bia kenkan a megidi say woda wonda because papa yi etwen nani ana say otwen nano edisi yakufu ado aban so e kan sembone fa yakufu ado ho wa obi a wadi bone wadi Ghana for bone wadi depositors bone ayaji to me krata every winsem unya akukuduro di yakufu ado ene na aban antem e ko support Mahama ye campaign Mahama thinking say Mahama beba na one wa ba be kan bom ni e do license amount ene papa kwesi ndum baby owo bia he has X all over his face but me no na katua na wanya na ehunya me Ghana fo a say Mahama ene na aban e pom chow for this evening
mu demonize papa nze we nipa bonini and so ade akufado yama amonya asem ketwa hwe sister oboasi gold mines eguye ya say sante here babon tie be ka say o ho na disafo ne brense na baby mines na dunu $1 kra obi anto nti Josafo John Mahama time ya ka sante ya no ani gold nti say otimi transfer ma sante go face eto fomo a ono no pa sante atem akufado buy no ko pe busia no be revamp oboasi gold mines e man sans pedia biu dan no ye bia no pem so wankasa o se na ye ma nije da na ye ma reho dan so ese misu o pem so ono ka say o so su abonten asem ketwa kufado san be pedia oboasi gold mines. That is the image of Asante. When Babonini or Sunday airport to class and peace, let's add Nanajima Prempedin Santoso. Prestige 4,000 kilometers of roads or Yamamu. Osama free education can top positions. I know Kroma, oil sector in Isaac or Seno, the Kekes upon order, Penfon na Kofano, Yenina, Fiasante. A Kufa the mom. Opportunities, the ministers now do an Asante. Majority leader non so Asante. In that rose, or ye more than. It is
the chief of staff, the one who runs the government. No, Santini.
Sanity. What I say? It's only pan or Yonipa. It's an institution or Juma, and Yan betting ayo. And so Yama na Kesia, Nema Santi Danson, or Ghana Honey Yasaf and Yanano, or you don't so bearing, obey ye. Rose are rose, or make it sure. So be ye rose, Okumasi, do Tuanoa. What I say, correct judges quarters or see GMPC no diama Santi talk the more refinery no diama Santi go first now make no was peja na Santi Asante anim Osama airport no reach international standard and my aeroplane na be test right or run so what I say no pushy the image of oyenipa obetwa from so because obia when interest now would not to tank crew say wanya hwe hwe say Akufo-Addo your Fankor road or Fankor road o ko Kumase o kata che free fatim babon ti because Akufo-Addo o kasa Asante for ya Jimmy won o kasa ya Jimmy na wo ye Fankor road no na de fa o de ko fa achim ho na je say achim ho na bie o kata che sa brim na hu ze wo nya nipa sa da na o metiza o ka sa asem no TVSYZ pe na hu ze wo ya boa e hope na hu ze wo nim nyansa wo wadwen kitikiti wo ye kwakuo ofui what to say ye road no ye di ye nyina ye di koye krom na nye eni say ye sa road no just because ya nya interchange na nyama mbo so akakraka no ehifa na hu se Akufo-Addo ye bi woni krom Eastern region no free no chima mu na Akufo-Addo kro fi no ehifa no ye sa project ni bi wo mo kire en Akufo 8 good years Akufo di 8 good years mo kire ade obeye wo chima mu Akufo di 8 years mun try depot ye wo chimem o te sa chimfo na so kura e di Akufo atamuda ye respect no because ye nimsa ne obetima ye no ye nimsa ne Akufo betima ye bi ye e boy e ti ye bunu ye play tribal card kwasi ati say o opportunity bi na be so Akufo-Addo no ye from abodam Akufo-Addo nyema we Ghana kroma ho na ye bi masa so me so wo fiso wo dia ye ni adinsen o katachi and talk one and you and try. Name Yakran say won nya Santini fu. Wo fimpo ano. Opportunity no wanya na wo fa bia be free Asante. Wo so anu akak, wo di atan na se wachi kaka bensam. Wo pese wo kasa te say wo ru gwa wo yotumfo. Wo podam. Opim so anu kra no on kasa sa. See like you. Masa, me say any adinsin wo kataji. Don't try. Wo dey buy di besi. Hwe, masa, the no noise. It was at the end of the day near the strategy not by a bit na fe usu na uti atiem. E bi no precision that how clean. Smart. Don't try. You're making noise. You are making noise. Go run your the government down. Say na do buy 1 year share Ghana. With selfish interest in tea. Who run the government down? Who a branch young person to say who to make DJ Kufuor that time? Kufuor the tisa abuebi or dejam. Who to make capacity as when you like Kufuor? Who small boy? Jack. And I'm can unfortunately, you know, baby I see a tea who better than I am. Edding say entity and wait me didn't penny for them. Edding. Well, who ni manes? Kwa quote say who ni manes? Yani ama we who. Ya pamu ho start where you know yenim so ba be kanya asem yenim so we John Krasa na ye no be chia yampa so so obe ma chia obi a party ni mu a enti odi wakaka bensem be kasa chia Kufuor anytime a yenso ya no be tra mo panifo ni bi hwe na do fi abusuam o onye wadwin adwuma katachie potam so obe so rim papa mu ba yentem a yen ma sam papa bu ni ba o because ye ni bibia e free eteni drink eno just about NDC ni be fankodie ntina dan nyina na komuni ayo hwe ede na moji wa Kufuor o party ni mu musa ise no ana with the president 2 times what was our recording video fabra na be compare asa na bi wa no kra na Kufuor be kasa anko sisa Ghana ska nyina fa ma okete na kodi ana wa Jimmy papa wa potam Ghana no ukuro mu kwa na Ghana na asura no pesa ni tina Kufuor Dubai see a boy. Don't try. Mrs. When you're dancing, Katachi. Me say, you're money tau. A that one over Kufuor to be our Betty and can. Who? A that one over Kufuor operational. La ila. But who say yes, Mema will see him. Then you know Mojacro. So, office when you're dancing, a young name Mojabak, yes, you're ding. So, who feels so when you're dinner? A young name Mojacro, yes, son of 4, yes, you're ding, papa. Sure. Who person play tribal politics? I try no. I say you queer anymore. I know Katachi. Who person play? I try.
Ini abe masuneni. Ini ane wate.
Me last one here. I know who be fair.
Ya suneni. Me ya suneni. Etini etire fe no.
Hey, asana for.
No who fair.
Miss me yako. Eko be na wa.
Eh, ade meswa. Meswa ni mo. Ewiase. So we are who are
yes we are those who Ghana
so who are kwani abehia ha no
me na manko school mete brofo
ba wo me abusia kwa
na abehia wa eto Katachi ye dom asuna fo ye dom ndu kasa yie ya ntwese kan
ya kra abo kra ho ofe wo no ho ofe e na abo no kra no ho ofe dakra abo no
papa le bi no nware da so de bia ni kom fita
me ku su ye enso na new
onware da so da ni kom ye fita ya no ye ho ti papa
mundi su bai
be dia ko wi a ene na mema na najo nso so nkwe so we
na najo obetu mi o ma me bra obetu mi ma me nkasa kakra da me type wa asie
na najo na no on sheda nkasa